Hi, it's Pat Pattison with the Best of Los Angeles Award. Boo! It's a scary time of year. It's Halloween. We're going to transform this house with recycled materials to make it a garden path of doom. Me and my millennial daughter Liza. Watch how we do it. And here's where the graveyard will be.
Hi guys, this is Liza Pattison with the Best of Los Angeles Award.
Boo! It's Pat Pattison. We're going to show you a cheap recycled Halloween decor. Here we go. We use old fans, and we find them at the thrift store, Goodwill, standing by the side of the road, and we spray paint them like this, and then we get them going.
All right, Dad, looks like we have an almost finished product. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I spray painted him, and now we're going to test him, see if he moves. Yay, there he goes. He's spooky as heck. Boo!
Really scary stuff.
Made out of all recycled fans. Hi, and this is another piece we built out of recaptured junk. Come around and see what this guy's made out of. Chicken wire, canvas, and an old ladder. So there you go. Happy Halloween.
It's on Halloween night when you see all the little kids and it's all lit up and everybody's scared. It's so much fun.
And everything's made out of recycled stuff.
Oh yeah, just pieces
bottles.
of this. I can't believe the pieces of stuff that junk put
Garbage.
together, and
Garbage.
it's phenomenal. I mean, it comes alive and it's like Disneyland on Halloween night here. I just love it. I love being a part of it.
Well, thanks for helping out. Boo!
We're unveiling now.
So if you have a house that lends itself to it, make big oversized props like these. Here's an eyeball. Here's some teeth. I know. And I'll show you what these look like up on the house in a second. You just hang them up, foam core and paint.
All right, Dad, are you happy with the finished product?
I'm so excited. I had a lot of help. I think I spent less than $75. The fans are moving, the cardboard eye. It's wonderful here in the Pasadena area.
Here's to the Best of Los Angeles.
Boo!